Hello and welcome back to the channel Hard Reset Info, and today I will show you how to track your order on AliExpress. So open AliExpress on your phone and go to your account at the bottom right and go to section My Orders right here. So now you want to find order that you want to track, and then tap on it to open its details, and there you should find the button that says tracking. So now you should see something like this. This is tracking page, and basically here AliExpress shows you all the shipping updates. So here they are, and actually you can see here your estimate delivery time, which is also very convenient. You can see your carrier, so it's AliExpress standard shipping. But if you don't want to use AliExpress application, you can also find your tracking number. So usually tracking number is located at the top right here. So this is my tracking number, and you need to copy it by tapping this icon, or you can simply enter your tracking number manually, but of course it's more convenient to just copy it and drop that number into universal tracking website like 17 track that AliExpress suggests me, or I personally prefer more parcelapp.com, this website. So here you can enter your tracking number, then tap this icon, and it will pull information from all the courier systems. And for example, if your tracking looks stuck, you don't have to panic, because AliExpress logistics can be a little slow to update, so sometimes it only refreshes when your parcel enters your country. So that's basically how you can track your order on AliExpress. I hope that this video helps you, and if so, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more content just like this.